Hello, I'm Dr. Robert Davis with Active Health Knee and Shoulder, and I am here with Carmen. Carmen, good to see you again.
Nice.
Carmen just finished his non-surgical operation for his knee, and I wanted him to come on and just explain his experience in the office. So, Carmen, if you could just tell the people that are watching, tell them the problems that you originally had, why you looked for our office, and then after you came into the office, the experience that you had here.
I couldn't get up. I couldn't walk. It was hard for me to walk and everything, and it was getting worse and worse.
Right.
And then my wife found you in the internet, and she says, "Well, we'll try that." So I said, "Okay, try that." I didn't want to go and get an operation.
Right, because you had your hip replaced, and you didn't want to go through with it.
I didn't want none of that, and I'm an older person right now, and I don't really need that. And but after you fixed me up, I don't know what you done, but I was all right.
So let me.
But I mean, it took a couple of months before I really felt, good.
Mm-hmm.
But the last month,
Mm-hmm.
you told me this was my last time.
Right.
And I said, okay. Then I was getting better and better every time, and then I started cutting my lawn again and stuff like that. And I mean, I got a push. I don't have a ride anymore. So.
Right. So you're able to push. You're doing the push mower on your lawn, or you ride?
No, I got a self-propelled, but
Okay.
you still have to.
But you walk behind.
Yeah.
Oh, excellent. And you weren't able to do that well before?
No, every time I done it, I'd be hurting.
Right.
Right after that, everything was hurting me. All my legs and stuff.
Are there any other activities you've got back to doing that you weren't able to do before?
Well, we walk. I walk
Go
around.
shopping?
Yeah, shopping. We'll do that.
Yeah.
And at the end of the week, we're gonna go to Italy. So.
Oh, that's right. You're going on your Italy trip. That's right. That was one of your goals. Going to go walking. Awesome.
I hope everything is right.
I think you're doing great. Well, thank you for sharing all that with us, and I appreciate you being here. I'm glad you got great results.
And I appreciate what you've done for me. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Thanks.